Yo, what's up, guys? I hope everyone is doing well. As you can see, uh, last night we had a pump on Bitcoin, so today I'm going to do a market review on Bitcoin and update Bitcoin analysis, so you will have a plan for the coming weeks and probably months and what we should expect on Bitcoin chart. As you can see, this is the monthly time frame, and in the monthly time frame we have two legs. We had two legs down, this one and this one. So the most recent leg down was this one, from this high to this low, and it made some imbalance in here, which is monthly fair value gap. Currently price is trading into this monthly fair value gap, and what I want to see is in 7 days that this monthly will close. I don't want to see a monthly close above the mean threshold or consequent encouragement of this monthly fair value gap, which is the mid of this monthly fair value gap. So basically there should not be a monthly close above the mid of this monthly fair value gap. If we does close a monthly candle above the mid of this monthly fair value gap, then I expect more expansion to the upside, and we might take this buy side liquidity and fill this monthly fair value gap on here. So currently we are dealing within this range from this high to this low. So if I bring back my drawings in here, you can see that in the monthly time frame we were within this range from this low to this high. So this is the mid of this range, and this is the premium area. So we are a seller, we are always a seller on the premium area and a buyer on the discount. So as you can see in here, this is the premium area that Bitcoin is currently trading, and we should not be a buyer for now on this level, and we should expect lower prices and rejection from this premium level, as the main move was to the downside. So we expect downside continuation. uh, Beside this, you can see that we have this monthly fair value gap, and the consequent encouragement of this monthly fair value gap is this line, which is this consequent encouragement. And we have this, beside that we have this weekly fair value gap consequent encouragement, which is on the weekly time frame. We have this fair value gap that I have marked with this orange zone. So the mid of this weekly fair value gap is also essential. We should not see a weekly close above this level and a monthly close above this level. So if price does close above this weekly fair value gap consequent encouragement uh, on the weekly time frame, then we will expect higher prices. And if we close a monthly candle above this monthly fair value gap mid or consequent encouragement, then we should expect higher prices. Currently this is an essential level of resistance, and I think Bitcoin will be rejected from this level soon. So this is the levels that I have marked on Bitcoin chart. This is the monthly and weekly fair value gap, this is the weekly fair value gap consequent encouragement, and this is the monthly consequent encouragement. So let's go back. I take Fibonacci on here, and you can see that at what price we are currently. If we take this low to this high, you can see that price has recently tagged the 62 level of Fibonacci, which is an essential level of resistance. So what I expect personally is continuation from this level to the downside, and I don't want any close or move above this. 79%, that may cause higher prices above this level and maybe this level. So currently this is an essential level of resistance. We have this monthly and weekly fair value gap, we have this 62 level of Fibonacci, and I don't want to see a weekly close above this weekly fair value gap consequent encouragement, and a monthly close above this monthly consequent encouragement. And what I expect is a move to the downside like this. So if we do reject from this level and go lower, what will be the targets, downside targets, and what we should expect? So let me make it much clearer. Okay, so we have these levels marked, and here you can see that we were within this range for almost a year. I think it was 9 months that price has been ranging within this range. So we took the liquidity from this the sell side of this and tagged this weekly breaker block and filled this weekly fair value gap, then it pumped up. So this was an accumulation phase, and this was manipulation and expansion. And if we uh, use it reversely, uh, you can take this and a phase of accumulation. So according to the power of 3, we can take this accumulation phase like this. So this would be our accumulation phase, and we have this manipulation phase from this high, from this level to the highs. So this would be our manipulation, and what will be the downside target based on this? We can take from this low to the high. So we draw a fib in here. So the downside target for this will be this level, 2% of the range. So 2 times this range, and also 2.5. These two levels can be potential targets for Bitcoin if it nukes from this level. So this will be our higher time frame or yearly power of 3. The first target would be here, so I circle this target like this. This would be the first target, and the next target would be this, which is around 12k. So these two levels are the targets for this higher time frame power of 3. Remove this one now, and here. Beside this, you can see to the left that we had also this initial, this was the range we had that caused this pump. So this was like an order block or a fair valuation range that caused this up move, and then we had this another second phase of accumulation, and we pumped up, and this was the third phase of accumulation. So according to ICT market maker sell model, you can see that this is also a market maker sell model, and it has this accumulation phases that price will eventually take the liquidity from the sell side or below these ranges. So we can also take it, mark it in blue. So basically liquidity is resting below this ranges, which is below this level, below this level, and below this level. And if we start going down, this will be the plan for coming weeks and months, and probably going into the new year we will see such a move on Bitcoin. The initial target can be around 15k and around 16k, and the next one will be around 12k. And this is the market maker sell model plus the yearly power of 3. I hope you enjoyed this analysis and use this in your investment and trading approaches. Have a great week.